Hello there, are you poor? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited money in dice rolls in Monopoly Go. No jailbreak computer needed. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let me just load up the game here, and as you can see, guys, I'm super rich. I got tons of dice rolls of money. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get right into the video. It's super cool, and it fully works. So as you can see, I can go ahead and win every single time, guys. I'm the dominator. I am so rich. And this is a totally working method, guys, for 2024. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super easy, and you don't even have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So I want to mention, guys, make sure you know your username because this will be very, very important for later steps. So we're going to go ahead and go over to the website now. So let me just show you guys the website. It's called ogrolls.net. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So this is the website where we can become cool. So once we're on the site, guys, we need to enter how much money and dice rolls we want to add to our account. It really doesn't matter, but I like to go for the max. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. So let me just go ahead and select it. And after you select how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account, guys, you need to type your username and platform. So let me just go ahead and put that in right here so you guys can see. So I'm just going to type it in. All right, so let me just type that right here. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the platform. And now I'm going to go ahead and press proceed. So if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. It's going to ask you to confirm it. So just go ahead and press generate. So as you can see, guys, it's now loading. So we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see. All right, so anyways, guys, there's a final step, which is a verification. It's very simple. You just need to download some apps, complete the instructions. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. But I'm going to show you guys right here. As you can see, this is the verification window. It's very simple, and it's just a bunch of apps. They got like some instructions. They even have a video you can watch if you don't know how to do it. But as you can see, guys, they have all these apps on here. You just got to download like 2 of them, complete the instructions, and you will get the dice rolls and the money. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. This is super crazy, and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super crazy, and yeah, it's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yes, it's super cool, as you can see right here. So I hope you guys are not exactly poor anymore, and you should be super rich. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super crazy. And yeah, you're simply downloading apps. It's very, very straightforward. And maybe you won't even get this window, but it popped up for me, so I'm assuming it pops up for everybody. But as you can see, guys, look how rich I am. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super crazy. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. This is super awesome. Look at that. What the heck, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you're poor, guys, this is super cool, and it actually works pretty well. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Get the word out about this method, guys, and peace out.